Hey guys, this is Rosie and welcome to my channel, The Stylish Sicilian. Welcome back. It may come as no surprise to you that I have a big obsession with all types of belt bags and belt bag-esque bags. Does that make any sense? Especially per my last video. If you have watched, if you haven't, I will link it at the end. But I just wear those constantly, all the time, during the summer, to the point where my husband now is stealing one of my belt bags and I'm like, hey buddy, those are mine, I'll get you your own. Which brings us to today's video. I was curious about what Beis had to offer lately because I haven't really shopped any belt bags or any type of belt bag, but I wanted to get something sporty for my husband and maybe for me a time or two to steal. And I'm a huge fan of their sport pack, which I always refer to it as a belt bag, but it's called a sport pack. It's the beige one. I'm always wearing it. I've worn it for many years, but I noticed that they have one called the Sport Sling, which I have seen. It's been on my radar somewhat, but now I was like, ooh, I need that one. And I thought this would be perfect for my husband. And the good news too is I had $30 in Beis rewards since I got it directly from Beis. So I was able to apply that money towards this purchase, which made the decision very simple. And although they have shipping over $100, I was able to find some random code online using Honey to get myself free shipping, and it wasn't even a $100 order, so that's always perfect. Needless to say, we're going to be opening and reviewing the Sports Sling and comparing it to the Sports Pack because, like you, I'm not really sure which one will make me like happier, which one I feel like I'll use more, or which just better. So I thought you would probably want to know too, so I had to bring you along the way. Now, a little fast fact, I was able to get it within 6 days, not 6 business days. I ordered it on a Sunday and it arrived on a Saturday, which is perfect for me. Good news, I'm actually able to get commission now from Beis products from the Beis website directly. So I will link everything below for you if you care to shop for anything you see in today's video. And like I said, I will get a tiny commission of the sale, which does help with my content creator life, which is always appreciated. I'm sure you're ready to just see the damn thing. So let's go ahead and get started. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe. It helps me out more than you even know. It keeps me here with you, and I like to be here, and I hope you like to be here with me. So, all right, let's get started. All right, so we got the black Sports Sling, and this retails for $58, not what I paid for it. If you're a return customer of Beis and you shop from their website directly, you do get rewards. So I had $30 sitting there. Just know that they do expire. I think they expire within 6 months, but I was literally, they had expired a week before I planned to use them, and I emailed them, pleaded a little bit, and they were able to give it back to me. So thank you, Beis. This video could not be possible without you. Because I'm cheap. All right, so here we have the Sports Sling, and I'll do a quick side by side so you can see like the difference, but we'll go into the comparison in a bit. So as you can tell, you have this nice metal clasp, which is really nice, means it'll last you and it'll hang tight. That off. Adjustable strap, and I did notice she said that you can actually adjust what side you want the strap on depending if you're righty or lefty, which is so nice. We're gonna check it out. So front, you have this front pocket, which has like a little mesh insert here. You can open that up, and then you have the front, which is really nice. So that's pretty cool. So you could put a little something in there. I'm not really sure what I would put in there. Maybe like a chapstick so I could grab it easier, because you know I need that. So then let's see what the second pocket has to offer. Take that out. Okay, so then here you could put, like, if you need to put a couple credit cards, your ID, that way you don't have to bring your whole wallet, or you could just throw your whole wallet in here. It's pretty big, so you could see like how much my hand fits in there. That's pretty good size, actually. I'm surprised. I don't know why, but in my head, this felt like it would be smaller. And I like that these are really nice and easy to maneuver, which is appreciated. Longer zip. Okay, so then let's open the front here. So it goes all the way around, which is pretty great. And luckily there's also this little fabric that keeps it from opening all the way out. So you have the inside here. This is a microfiber inside little pocket, which she said is kind of nice. You can put your sunglasses here so they don't get scratched, which I really appreciate that because I'm always throwing my sunglasses just in my bag willy-nilly, and then I'm always so mad at myself because they're scratched. So this is great. I don't know if I'm gonna give this to Brian now. I may keep it. Sorry. Sorry, Brian. Okay, and then always, 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 your little key leash, which is always appreciated. She's very consistent with that. And then you have another mesh pocket here. So you could put whatever your heart desires in here. So that's nice, it's really tough, feel that. There's a very cool surprise pocket I'm about to show you, so get excited. So I'm gonna zip this up, and because I'm more of a righty, I'm gonna switch this side so it hangs on my right. All right, so we're gonna loosen this up a little bit. Let's find out how that works. It's actually pretty easy. I've had some where I'm like, I'm here all day. Okay, great. Ooh, it's very soft too. It's a very soft material. Man, nice and tough. Okay, on the side, there's a little pocket. What's in that pocket? You probably wanna know. I'll tell you. So if you're on the go and you don't wanna hold something in particular, like a water bottle, you have a little water bottle pocket. Are you joking? What? This is so nice. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? This alone makes me want the product. Are you joking? This is perfect, perfect. And it's so light. I don't feel like it's so heavy, especially because it's not gonna carry your whole world. This is like running, you're gonna go play pickleball. You're gonna go for a hike. You're gonna just go somewhere to the gym really quick. You don't wanna bring a whole bag. What? Are you kidding me? And it's like solid. It's not like falling around. OMG, are you joking? All right, guys, I feel like that should have sold it to you. Now, let's say we don't need it. Tuck it in, nobody knows. Then it just becomes a pocket. Are you joking? Let's close it up. Now, last but not least, you have another pocket. What's in there? no more surprises, but it fits about my whole hand. A little tighter, but it's in there. Are you joking? With this, I don't know why, but it excites me because I'm always a mom on the go, and I always have to bring a water bottle because kids get thirsty, I get thirsty, we always get thirsty. Sometimes I just don't want to bring everything. This is gonna be my new favorite. I'm sorry, Brian, I'm just gonna keep it. Or buy another one just for me. This is so nice. And we're going on a trip soon. We're heading to Cali, and I feel like he's gonna really love using this, and me. So I'm so sold on this. Let's move on to the comparison. So as you can tell, size and shape is a little different. So this is the sports pack. So it's a little bit, it goes more like this. It's really more like fanny pack, a true fanny pack. Now what this has, is a little different. So the zips are the same, you know, kind of nice. We have a plastic versus metal, which this one came out, I'm pretty sure, before that one. But what that doesn't have is it has this little purse type of, you know, strap that you can use, which I use it all the time because especially when I'm at the airport, let me tell you, when I'm trying to get my stuff out, my passport out, and this has happened to me, I'm just like, okay, I gotta go. I don't have time to swing it over my head. I'm just like, I gotta go. I have to go. I don't care which side it's on. Just let me put it on. Let's get to my gate, okay? So, and this is removable. So if you're like, I don't need that, that's fine. You can take it right off. Hooks on both sides. And then we're gonna open this up and see. Ooh. What do we have in here? We also, again, have the key fob. This is so dirty now because I've used it for years. I've had this since 2022. And then you have like another pocket in here. And you could put your, again, there's a little wallet. So you don't have to bring your wallet. And then there's a pocket in there. So if you do, I always put it inside and then zip it. But you can see how much you could fit, like so much. This is so much space. So a little bit bigger, definitely bigger than the sports pack, right? You could tell I've used it, so gross. So let's zip that up. Now on the back, I actually can fit my whole phone in the back. I put it in there all the time with my chapstick, so it's an easy grab. So just know like you could fit an iPhone Pro Max 15 in this. And it's a little tight, but it does the job. You could fit all of that, it's so big. Okay. Now let's say you do want to bring a water bottle. The only thing that you can use is this little strap. So you would have to have some type of water bottle, which I'm sorry, but I packed everything. I'm packing. If you didn't know, I'm moving. So we only have a few videos here left together in this room. All my bottles are for the most part back. But if you have something that you can kind of like hook on, I have used like my daughter's water bottle. I do have a water bottle. So we're gonna use Aria's, which is this cute little Barbie one. So it's about half full right now, just so you have an idea on weight. What I do is slide that through this hole, strapped. This is how it would be. So you have it kind of hanging off the side, which I'm not gonna lie, I've never been a fan of it. I do it when I have to. Much rather use the sports sling option because it just sits there sturdy, not wiggling around. So just for the water part, I don't prefer this one. I prefer the sports sling already. But it's still available to you as an option, so you can't knock it. At least it gives you something. Am I right? So that's how I normally wear this too. I wear it on the side. Can you tell I'm out of breath? It's because I don't work out. You could tell like how it just kind of hangs on you. Pretty simple. It's just pretty nice. So wear them all. So you can kind of tell the difference here, right? This is smaller. Really like how compact it is though, and just like to the point. So again, these are gonna be for different types of usage. Like I do like that this is bigger, the sports pack, because when I travel, it's so much easier for me. For my husband, I feel like this one's a no-brainer because really, what is he gonna carry? His wallet, his passport, some keys, but that's pretty nice. Like, you know, if we're going for a walk somewhere, spending the day out and about, this will probably be so easy for him to grab. Price reference, this is $48 and this is $58. So there's a $10 difference. Do I think that's really gonna sway me on one or the other? Not really. I think it's really a $10 difference is not gonna make or break their bank account. So I would say pick the one that fits, you know, what you need, your lifestyle. Choose your fighter, you know what I'm saying? Thought you probably would appreciate a bonus comparison to the Lululemon bag. So this Lululemon bag, belt bag is a capacity of like 1 liter. So you can see the difference here. I think this one's a little bit bigger. You can see the side by side. And this has like 2 pockets versus this has multiple, more than 2, that's for sure. Like as you can tell, the Lululemon one has just a zipper. It opens up. You have 2 mesh sections here, one side and the other side. And then you have this little bag here. This one's good. This is always a solid for me, but the idea of having all these pockets is pretty sweet. And I just like the thought that's inside of this. Like the Lululemon is just really like practical, go basic, not overly thought through. This one, there was so much thought put into it and I'm so obsessed. Like I was preparing for this video when I saw that you can put a water bottle in it, the way the pocket is designed. I mean, that means someone really thought about it. Someone really thought about how I'm gonna use this and, you know, thought of it like how they would wanna use it. That's the way a product should be made. Like, how am I gonna use this? Because other people are probably gonna wanna use it the same way too. So something to think about. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. If you like Beis products, I have a bunch of them. I will link a few below at the end of this video, and there's like a whole playlist of those as well. But I will link all these products for you to shop below if you choose to purchase any of them. I do get a tiny commission sale, which helps me with my content creator life, and it's always appreciated. But please let me know your thoughts on this video, and if you decide to purchase anything, I'm always curious, and I love your feedback, the good, the bad, and the ugly, unfortunately. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you at next week's video. Ciao.